Hey, what's up guys? So I've got a little channel news. I'm starting a new channel and I'm calling it Two River TV, and it's going to be all about community, basically about where I live here in New Jersey. So I live about a mile away from the Navesink River, and maybe 2 miles south of the Navesink River is the Shrewsbury River, and this area is known, locally at least, as the Two River area. There's a Two River Bank in the area, there's a Two River Theater, there's a Two River Times newspaper, and so I thought Two River TV. That's a good name for a show, and I was able to get tworivertv.com from GoDaddy. It was available, so that was pretty cool. This is kind of a business venture I'm doing with my friend and business partner, Peter Hagberg. He's the guy who does the cooking on the show here. You probably have met him. And the cooking will move to the new channel. And basically, the idea of the channel is it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's also going to be all about just meeting cool people around the area, people who might be makers, woodworkers, people who are farming. There's farming in New Jersey. I don't know, just really any kind of thing that I'm interested in, whether that's fishing and fitness, or food, hiking, who really knows. But the plan is to post a video about every 2 or 3 weeks until we really get going. Then the ultimate goal is maybe once a week, but that's after we get moving for a little while and maybe get an assistant. So anyway, that's what's going on. I hope that you'll subscribe to the new channel. I'll have a link in the description. And our first show is going to be a food and cooking show. We go fishing on the Navesink River, catch a fluke, and then we come back here and Peter makes a really nice fluke sandwich, and there'll be recipes on the website. So it should definitely be a lot of fun. And like I said, I hope you guys will subscribe, and I'll see you there. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on my main channel real soon.